Best portable table saw. The growing popularity of mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers highlights the importance of precision, reliability, and thoughtful design in tools. Similarly, choosing the right portable table saw requires attention to build quality, power, portability, and value. A good saw delivers accurate cuts, ease of setup, and durability while fitting into your workspace or job site. This guide evaluates key factors such as motor performance, blade quality, stand stability, portability, and safety features to help you find the best portable table saw for home or professional projects. Product number 1. DeWalt Portable Table Saw with Stand. The DeWalt Portable Table Saw with Stand combines robust performance with convenient portability, making it ideal for both job site and workshop use. It features a powerful motor capable of handling a variety of materials, from hardwood to plywood, while maintaining smooth and precise cuts. The rolling stand allows quick setup and teardown, and the saw includes a rack and pinion fence system for easy, accurate adjustments. Safety features such as blade guard and anti-kickback pawls enhance protection during operation. Users praise its stability, durability, and cutting precision. While slightly larger than compact models, it balances mobility with professional-grade functionality, making it a versatile choice for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Product number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Compact and Foldable Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Compact and Foldable Treadmill offers portability and practicality for home exercise. Its lightweight frame and folding design make it easy to store under beds or in closets, ideal for small living spaces. The treadmill features a responsive manual belt that allows users to control pace naturally. A simple display tracks speed, distance, and calories, helping users monitor progress without complicated electronics. While it does not provide a motorized belt, incline adjustment adds variety to workouts. Users value its combination of space efficiency, affordability, and durability. It is best suited for walking and light jogging, providing a convenient and reliable option for maintaining daily activity at home.
Product number 3. DeWalt 10-inch Table Saw with Rolling Stand. The DeWalt 10-inch Table Saw with Rolling Stand is a professional-grade portable saw designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its rolling stand allows fast deployment and mobility, while the 10-inch blade accommodates a wide range of cutting applications. A precision fence system ensures straight and accurate cuts, and the included dust collection port helps maintain a clean work area. The 15-amp motor provides ample power for both softwood and hardwood materials. Users praise its stability, smooth operation, and durability on job sites. While slightly heavier than compact saws, its combination of mobility, accuracy, and professional features makes it a top choice for serious contractors and woodworking enthusiasts.
Product number 4. SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw with folding stand. The SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw offers a balance of portability, power, and affordability. Its folding stand provides easy transport and compact storage, while the 10-inch blade and 15-amp motor deliver efficient cutting for a range of projects. The adjustable fence ensures accurate rip cuts, and the compact design makes it suitable for tight workspaces. Users highlight its ease of setup and solid build for the price point. While it may not match premium saws in precision or long-term durability, it is ideal for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and contractors needing a versatile, portable saw without breaking the budget.
Product number 5. Skill 15-amp 8 1/4-inch compact portable job site table saw. The Skill 15-amp 8 1/4-inch compact job site table saw is designed for maximum portability and lightweight convenience. Its smaller footprint allows easy storage and transport, making it ideal for small workshops or frequent job site moves. Despite its compact size, the 15-amp motor delivers reliable cutting power for small to medium boards. The adjustable fence and miter gauge provide decent accuracy, though fine-tuning may be required for professional-level precision. Users appreciate its affordability, ease of setup, and compact design. While it is best suited for light to moderate cutting tasks rather than large-scale professional work, it is an excellent option for DIYers and homeowners who need a reliable, portable cutting solution.